lesi simo engibhekene naso njengamanje angazi ukuthi ngasitreat kanjani because it's amaphoyisa implicated the very actual office efangabe yangisiza mina as a citizen.
Usapho lwaseMarian Hill KwaZulu-Natal ufuna ubulungisa emva kwezitsholo zokuhlaselwa komntwana walo intombazana neminyaka eli-14 kwisikolo samapolisa.
We are struggling at Protea Glen. It's smelling here. You can't, it's very bad in Protea Glen right now for 2 weeks.
Bafumene amanzi emva kokuhlala iveki bengenamanzi abahlali baseProtea Glen eSoweto eGauteng. Sinamkeleke indaba zethu ngokuhlwanje yandamba indodwa ndamba nophumza sikhumba noyitolikyo lwemilezandla kodani Mzonsundu. Usapho lakwaDiko eMarian Hill kwiphondo laKwaZulu-Natal uthi lufuna impendulo emveni kokuba umntwana walo oneminyaka eli-14 etyholwa ngokuhlaselwa ngamapolisa ngethuba encinwa ngemibuzo emveni kokurhanelwa ngokuba nesandla ekulahlekeni komhlobo wakhe.
Usapho laseMarian Hill lufuna ubulungisa emva kokuba umntwana walo oneminyaka eli-14 ubudala etyholwa ngokuhlaselwa kwisikhululo samapolisa. Oluhlaselo kutyholwa ukuba lwenzeke emva kokuba le ntwazana yaqeqediswa yaza yasiwa kwisikhululo samapolisa abo kuthiwa yancinwa ngemibuzo ngaphandle kwemvume yomzali wayo.
Bangivalela I think almost about 2 hours bengivalelile. So mina mase ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngicela ukugoduka uma uzosabe worried. Wathi mase no. Uma wakho ngifuna izwe nayo lento engizwayo ukuthi mina ngilahlekelwe ingane wenu uyayazi ukuthi ke but mina ngibazi ukuthi bakephi. So bangifake emotweni forcefully and then mase siyahamba ke police station. So as sihambe endleleni ubaba umalume aze ubhizi uthi masingayitholi lengane sokukhipha amehlo ngeschool driver and everything. And then masifika lapha iphoyisa lifike lithini lifike lithi uyena lo mase bathi bona hayi uyena kuthiwa ngilandele and then siye e-officeini la basebenzela khona bonke and then angibuza ukuthi ublo umuntu esimfunayo ngithi mina angimazi angishaya ngempama ngala and then mase angibuza futhi ngithi angimazi aphinde futhi angishaye.
Umalume kaSilindile uthi uphoxekile indlela lo mba wathi wawoywa ngayo.
Asilithola ngosizo in terms of udaba lengane because one umntwana kunesikhathi kufuneka sisilinde ukuze sikwazi ukuvula missing persons report, so we couldn't open that missing persons report due to ukuthi asimazi ukuthi and 48 hours awakapheli only to find out ukuthi ukhona la efanele ngaba uthola khona usizo. Lesi simo engibhekene naso njengamanje angazi ukuthi ngasitreat kanjani because it's amaphoyisa implicated the very actual office efangabe yangisiza mina as a citizen iyangicindezela.
Mangiye Pine Town ke ikhona engasafe savula khona icala laba itransfer la eMaranhide. Mangimchazela uSmith ukuthi kwenzakaleni namanye amaphoyisa elinye kuthiwa umkhize lo wamthatha umfaka evenini. Wathi ke umkhize akuyona ikidnapping leyo. Sizozwa ngabo asilinde bona asispecial ngalutho.
Uganda amapolisa athi amaxhabhethu aphanda ngezizithyolo.
We've done the first step. We've opened the case. And now we are investigating. Our investigations will direct us as to what the next step we must take.
Abakwantsasana bakwathe ukuba ezizithyolo ziyinyani umrhanelwa uza kuyicela ivuthiwe.
Abahlali baseSabi eMpumalanga batyhola ukombiwa kwemigodi ngongekho mthethweni njengonobangela wokuxhuma kolwaphulo mthetho kule ndawo yaye oko kunechaphaze libi kwezokhenketho ngelixa abanye bememelela kurhulumente kuba ayivule imigodi yegolide lahliweyo kuze kudaleke amathuba engqesho okukulandela ukuhlangulwa kwabombi mgodi abangekho mthethweni abangaphaya kwekhulu kumgodi owavalwayo eSabi mvanje.
Izolo abasemagunyeni bahlangule abombi mgodi abathe kratya kwikhulu abebevaleleke kumgodi olahliweyo eSabi eMpumalanga ukuba sematheni kwalendawo kuvuse umnyele kubahlali abalila isimbonono ngemikhwa ezalwa kukombiwa kwemigodi ngokungekho mthethweni ngokuba bongoza urhulumente ukuba ayivule eminye yale migodi engasasetyenziswayo.
Abana maphepha labanye bayagula labanye balamba labanye bagcine bafile lapha, so uma ukuthi banganika abantu mathuba emisebenzi ngiyacabanga liningi nabo labo bhuti ngeke baze baye lapha bayongena bafe balambe. So government wethu angazama kakhulu nje as create imisebenzi.
Izinga lobugebengu liphakeme kakhulu. Bona labantu ababuyale ngaphandle into ebalekile bokuyiloko ukuthi bakufuna babe namaphepha. Into yokuqala banamaphepha and enye into abangithi ngiyabheka babulalana bona self. So ukuphepha kusekho la emphakathini wethu njengala iSABI.
Kambe elikhwelo lokuvulwa kwemigodi abantu bazisebenzele lizuze inkxaso engagunqiyo kwimibutho eyahlukeneyo.
We've been like preaching the word, formalizing the sector so that people can like be regulated and follow the protocols. Because in terms of this artisanal mining, people are trying to make a living. It's not a matter of that they are doing criminal activities, but they are trying to make a living, because you'll find that most of these people in that sector, it's mostly breadwinners at home, and especially for women, those are the ones that are putting the bread on the table.
Noko kunjalo le mibutho ikwamemelela kurhulumente okokuba aqinisekise ukuba bemi bamazwe angaphandle abaxhamli ngaphezu kwabemi boMzantsi Afrika.
Abahlali baseProtea Glen eSoweto eGauteng bayavutha ngomsindo ngenxa yokuvalwa kwamanzi. Bathi sele kuphele iveki ezimbini bephila ngaphandle kwamanzi. Ebutsheni bale veki kule lokishi abahlali baye baqhankqalaza bekhalazela ukoma nko kwempompo zabo zamanzi. Kwaye batyhola abasemagunyeni ngokusilela ukusombulula ingxaki yamanzi neqatseleyo kule ngingqi. uLumka Bhekindawo usenzelele ngxelo.
Iinkokheli zasekuhlaleni eProtea Glen eSoweto zithi ukungabikho kwamanzi kwesi sixeko kunento yokwenza nezopolitiko.
This is a man-made problem. So they are generating money. It's the time whereby these trucks, which they're using to deliver the money for us, those trucks, they generate money with them.
We have been having this problem for years right now because the pressure was less. And every time early in the morning, when you want to bath, because the geysers are using pressure valve, there is no water going into the geyser.
Sithetha nje ivumbe libi libaphilisa kakubi abahlali.
We are struggling at Protea Glen. It's smelling here. You can't, it's very bad in Protea Glen right now for 2 weeks.
Ukanti le ngxaki yamanzi inegalelo elibi kakhulu kwabo bakhubazekileyo.
We do have old age homes in this Ward 13. We have a disabled institution in this Ward 13, whereby people, they cannot go and fetch water for them by themselves.
It affects them in a way that they can't, as caregivers, we can't do certain things because we take time with them, but it's more challenging now that we have to fill water from tanks.
Emva kweyure eziliqela belindile abahlali sifikile isigadla sizise amanzi nangona kunjalo abahlali bathi lamanzi awakhuselekanga ncam.
We're getting water in order to fix our toilets and also to bath and also to drink, but we're not currently sure how clean is the water.
So everything here is dependent on water. So you can imagine what is happening in the houses, the toilets. So the system, people are used to the system of having water running through the house.
The team has worked tirelessly through the day and through the night, and we commit to working in such a manner until we repair the situation. But currently the team is on site fixing the valve that I alluded to, and once that valve is tested and we are able to see where the water is reaching, it may well be that we have resolved the issue. If not, we will then continue with our search.
Aba bahlali bathi kulamalanga gqatsu boboyi bona basokolela amanzi. Kwindaba zethu ku Channel 163 noziphathela Newsroom Africa, ndingulumka Bhekindawo eSoweto.
Ukususela kulonyaka nje umnyadala ikumkani Mhlonhlo Legacy Festival umququzeleli wawo ingaphatha uxolo nodado inzalelwane yakuTsolo eMpuma Koloni apho ubanjelwe khona lo msitho unenjongo zokuphuhlisa ilali eziphansi komasipala uMhlonhlo ngokuthi kuqeshwe kuxhaso somashishini abasakhasayo. Kule festival kuphaliswa amahashe ngeendlela ezahlukileyo kwezo eziqhelekileyo. Lo msitho kwazinyaswe nangabathathi nxaxheba abaphumela iSuthu nakwamanye amaphondo kweli. Monsiki Noya uza nengxelo.
Lo mnyadala umbejembeje kulandelwa umzilo washiywa ngukumkani uMhlonhlo wamaMpondomise emva kokuba ihasha wayehamba ngalo lenza imbali.
batha belungu ngokungaqapheli babambelele emsileni wehashe lekumkani. Suka ihashe lekumkani lolama lalahle ugodo. Kwasweleka ke umantye kwakuthiwa nguHope ngo-1880 apha eMampondomiseni.
Ukususela kuloo mbali abazange babuya mva bawafundisa amahashe indlela ezohlukeneyo zokuphala kwezo ziqhelekileyo.
Kukho amahashe omhambo. Amahashe aqeqeshelwe into yokokuba abe nendlela yokutyityimbisa umzimba namaqina engabaleki, ehamba ngesingqi esithile esisodwa. Aqeqeshiwe benze loo nto. Yenye yeecategories zamahashe ke ithandwa kakhulu ke ngamampondomise. Amampondomise sisizwe samanene namanenekazi. Amanene labizwa ngokuba ngamatshawu. Kanti ke kwakwezi zintlu zamahashe akhona amahashe angamahashe wona wokubaleka ungqe ebalekela into yokokuba ke wona okwamahashe la abaleka koDurban July njalo njalo.
Iindwendwe ezithabatha inxaxheba zilandela ekhondweni lekumkani.
uKing Mhlonhlo wayehlala ebaleka for abantu the British, wabalekela eLesotho, wafika wafundisa abantu baseLesotho amahashe pha, wabazisela ngapha. Wahlela ngapha ngase KZN apho izimele khona. Uthe ebuya after many years, abantu bakhe bebereyisa besenza lo mdyarho wamahashe.
Ihashe uDavid laseMhlonhlo liphume phambili kwelinye lamanqanaba, kanti noosomashishini abasakhulayo bagoduke bencumile.
Qamgqibela namhlanje, kodwa kuba ndijongi ke noko ndiye ndambamba ndindonwaba kuba bendicimba mhlawumbi uzondida kuba ndingamazi ngandimtreni.
Bangabe beme emacaleni abasetyhini okwangoku, kodwa kususela kunyaka ozayo amagqiyazana aselula afumana uqeqesho setha nje azawube ezixhuzulela imikhala eshiyana ngotyefezo kuphalisa uyawuphuma entanjeni. Kwiindaba zethu kuChannel 163 oziphathelwa yiNewsroom Africa, ndinguntsiki Noyiya Embutho kwisiphambuka sakuTsolo.
Umhla wokuqala kuDisemba kuqatshelwa usuku lwentsholongwane kagawulayo kwihlabathi ngokubanzi, kwaye urhulumente weli uye aphawule ngendima esele igangathiwe susela oko lentsholongwane yasulela abemi beli, ukanti ikwaba lithuba kubemi beli abaphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo lokubalisa ihambo yabo nokuphila nale ntsholongwane kagawulayo. Apha estudio still nomlungisi Zondi eza kusibathela ngebali lakhe. Mlungisi, masibulele ngexesha lakho.
Sawubona usisi kunjani?
Ndiyaphila. Into eyakhuthaza mlungisi ekubeni ubalise ngebali lakho lokusuleleka yintsholongwane i-HIV kwanokungena kwakhe entolongweni, bufuna abantu bafunde ntoni kwibali lakho?
Sisi, komunye umuntu ongangazi, umlungisi is a HIV activist, HIV counselor, HIV ambassador, I'm a coach. I'm living with HIV for 19 years. I'm open. I'm glowing because I'm taking 1 pill a day. Tatalent and goes 1 pill a day. Umlungisi is a product of rape. Ubaba ngmazi today. Umlungisi is a rape survivor. I was gang raped 5 men. I was contracted to HIV. Umlungisi is a ex-convict. I was sentenced for life early age of 16 years. Umlungisi is the extra-gate. I smoked nyawo more than 7 years. Umlungisi is the author, wrote 10 books. Umlungisi is a motivational speaker. Into engenzile ubuhlungu. Kunezinye izinto oyilanda ebuhlungwini ukuze ufike la ufuna ukufika khona. Mina ngizala umama obedla ama-drugs ukuze ngifike la ngifika khona. Ngicala ukudla ama-drugs early age of 8 years. Ngina 14 years I'm notorious. Ngiphatha 4 yebham. Ngina 16 years was sentenced for life in prison. Impilo yami.
Mlungethuba ufumanisa uba u-HIV positive kwakuthatha ixesha elingakanani ukwamkela nanjengoko usithi wakhe wazama ukuthatha ubomi bakho?
Sisi, kungithathe isikhathi esiningi. Khumbula mina ngitholanga angizalanga nayo HIV, angitholanga ngesex. Just I was raped by 5 men. Ngadla ngolamadoda ayi-5 in prison. I'm a first man. Ngumuntu oqala eSouth Africa as a man came out and told the world ukuthi I was gang rape. Ngumuntu oqala eSouth Africa ophumela obala. I'm a co-founder with Patrick Shai khuluma ndoda program. Thina amadoda sikhuluma. Kungithatha isikhathi eside sisi. Ngoba ngazama ngaphakathi ejele ukuthola umuntu ozongimotivate ukuthi umlungisi ngikhohlwa njani ngidlula njani kulesimo ngibhekene naso. Ngahlule ngabona ukuthi i-option elula for me suicide. I tried commit suicide 3 times ngahlala kwi-coma 3 weeks. Wathi uNkulunkulu no mlungisa kusona isikhathi lesi sokuhamba. But living with the HIV journey, ukuphila ne-HIV akukho lula, but ngiyaphila mina mama. Manje ngoJanuary ngicelebrate 20 years living with HIV. Buka ngimuhle kanjani ngenqama ARVs. Thatha lento ayinamgozi 1 pill a day.
Xa ujongile Mlungu istigma sinjani ingakumbi kwi-clinic ezisezilokishini ngoba kumaxesha amaninzi abantu abayonqana ukuthatha ipilisi zabo.
Ngifisa ukuyiveza lento sisi ukuthi umsebenzi wasemningi especially endaweni zasemakhaya ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu positive or once umuntu waba positive abayiyekele especially abantu basemakhaya or nasemalokishini once waba positive ufuna ukuthwasa ufuna iyekele uzoshona usuloyiwe wena from nini usuloyiwe thatha lento ayinamgozi nophe kusekhona lento basayitshena ukuthi once umuntu waba positive uloyiwe. Number 2 ngifuna ukuveza le ndaba ye-stigma yingakho sinama program yokuthi siye emphakathini sokukhuluma nabantu ukuthi say no to stigma. Yabo siyaphila ne-HIV i-HIV ingashaya umakhelwane ingashaya umngane wakho ingashaya wonke umuntu i-HIV siphila nayo but siyaphila.
Wagotya ubomi entolongweni intoni yakungenisa khona?
Mina ngingene ejele nge-armed and robbery murder ngene at the age of 16 years. Singene su7 besiboshwele i-heist ka5 million besiphuma eShoprite masithi siyaphuma uphumeki masithi siyaphuma sadubula masidubula zaphela inhlavu sabona ukuthi ukuze ukhone ukuthi usurvive kusabiza ukuthi surrender masisurrender sabona sabanjwa saboshwa abangani bami bonke LH bona bebebadala sabanjwa saboshwa mina bangithatha bangise place safe ngasuka place safe ngaye juvenile mangisuka ejuvenile ngaye adult mangifika adult la ngifike khona ngaba i-victim rape yingakho manje sithi say no to GBV. I-GBV is not about women and child. Kunobaba manje usethaveni ngo-12 o'clock. Akekho happy. Akekho ubaba ongahlala ethaveni ngo-12 o'clock happy. Inkinga sikhuluma thina bobaba. Sifela ngaphakathi. I-GBV uhulumeni ngicela ilungise le ndaba yokuthi it's not about women and child. Not men. Siyahlukumezeka but akukho siphuza asithandi abantoda ayaphuza hayi ngoba bethanda inkinga akekho umuntu ofuna ukusilalela.
Mlu enkosi kakhulu bhuti siyabulela ngexesha lakho.
Ngibonga kakhulu sisi wami.
Masiphosa amehlo kwimozulu nesiphathelwe ngithabile Makhaphela.
Enkosi kakhulu ke Madikela noNcuthu kwideska yenu yendaba ndiyakubulisa nawe mbukele ekhaya ndikwamkele bethuna kweyam kaloku iqonge elikhulu lele mozulu mna ke igama lam ndinguthabile Makhaphela inzwakazi yabathembu mvanje ke nantsi bethuna imozulu leyo ke mbukele ekhaya siyasiphawule kaloku mvanje ngalo mfanekiso wokuqala ubonayo iziganeko apha eMzantsi Afrika nje kuphela noko imeko pha imaxongo kakhulu futhi bemandundu ngamandla pha igambeni kwemini yangomso bupha kumntla-mpuma apha eMzantsi njengapha kaloku kwamazantsi futhi kovelcom kwasekuseni phaya bevuswa lelo shumi nje likhatshwa sisiqhenqa baqhube nemini yabo ngezantyala zemvula ngama-30 nje abenesithandathu kanti ke amaqondo wakho phansi naphezulu ngolokuqala nxa iphondo kusempuma koloni bethuna njengapha kaloku kwimpuma yelaphondo qabaqaba ngamafu ngemvula emthatha phaya kwakhona neziphaluka ngelashumi nje likhatshwa sisiqhenqa baqhube nosuku beluvala ku-28 degrees nantsi kwakhona bethuna kaloku imozulu ephondweni laseFree State likumbindi ke bethuna eliphondo apha eMzantsi Afrika njengapha kaloku kumazantsi futhi nempuma gxebe phaya yelaphondo futhi eFicksburg kwasekuseni licwengile phaya izulu kamnandi nje ngelashumi elikhatshwa sisithandathu ithi cunam jonge ngokubanzi kwakhona phaya ephondweni lasentshona koloni ngomso pha ngasenqomeni futhi umzekelo kwakhona amafa bikwempela phaya koFred Andal ekuseni bevusa lishumi nje likhatshwa sisihlanu kuye kutshisa ngorhatya ngo-31 nantsi kwakhona bukele kaloku ekhaya imozulu kusephondweni lakhona lise-Northern Cape kumantla weliphondo njengapha kokurumani impuma yelaphondo kwakhona ekuseni futhi licwengile phaya ilanga futhi xa besonga laa mini yabo kwakhona ngengqatsini ka-38 degrees nantsi kwakhona bethu kaloku imozulu kusephondweni lase-Northwest pha ngomso emva kwemini pha kwintshona yelaphondo zikhona imvula nendudumo kwasekuseni futhi napha kumazantsi koMoruleng pha kwakhona kuyanetha kwasekuseni ngelashumi nje likhatshwa kaloku seso sixhenxe ithi chunam kwakhona mbukele ngokubanzi apha eRhawutini silapho sikhokethi napha kumantla futhi njengapha kuncam yelaphondo kwasekuseni eJohannesburg Soweto Thembisa pha umzekelo futhi kwasekuseni ngeloshumi nje likhatshwa sesihlanu kuye kuphola kamandi ngorhatshwa kwakhona ngaye kaloku la 31 degrees kanti ke mbukele ekhaya nanso kaloku imozulu lephondo elikumantla apha emzantsi njengapha kaloku kukho uThabazimbi yintshona ke laphondo bakwakhona futhi ngamashumi abili nje abenesine kusanetha kuyaduduma ngorhatya phaya kwakhona ngo-36 nansi bethuna kwakhona kaloku imozulu ephondo elikumazantsi pha kwimpumalanga njengapha eMalahleni ngumbindi kwakhona futhi kwelaphondo phaya noxa kutshisa kamnandi pha ngorhatya kuyasibekela mpela phaya eMalahleni ngala 30 degrees kanti ke mbukele ekhaya andiqwela imozulu ngephondo lokugqibela kuphi KwaZulu Natal njengapha kwintshona yelaphondo Newcastle pha kwasekuseni futhi zezomvula zintshizane nendudumo ngamashumi 3 nje abenesithathu mna ndikuthatha kangaka xesha limyoni
kamnandi mawethu.